Hi there guys, it's Oskim here. Today's video I'll be showing you how to cook 1 minute noodles and make it a little bit more exciting. 1 minute noodles, you can get one from LD, Coles or Woolies, and that's from LD. And I'll just show you the extra vegetables that I'll be adding to it. That's very simple way. If you don't like chopping and cutting, that's the reason why I'm showing you a very simple way. That's the frozen vegetables you get from Coles, only so you can mix it up. We have 3 eggs here, and I got 2 chilies, one to fry it with the mixed veggie, another one to mix it with the omelette. So I'm gonna make it's not an omelette, I'm just gonna make an omelette style scrambled eggs. I'll be adding these 3 eggs with the onion and chili with the salt and pepper, and I'll be frying that first, and then I will show you how to go on next. So now the ingredients we'll be using are sliced pepper, a little bit of salt, olive oil, and this is just optional here. I'm not going to be using today sweet chili or teriyaki sauce. I'm just going to use a bit of a tomato sauce. Boiling, just throw in all the noodles, let it boil for 1.5 minutes, and you just leave it. Now we've got this 3 eggs cracked with a little bit of chili, salt, pepper, and a slight touch of onion. A little bit of olive oil to fry the eggs. So now pour in the egg and let's scramble it. So I'm just gonna try to scramble that. The reason why I'm leaving this for one side, other side, so get that beautiful nice color. See, got this nice color. So this is done. We're just gonna start processing the stir fry. So we'll be adding the onion and a little bit of chili to start with. Slightly fry them. We don't need to cook them. We're just gonna fry them just a little bit. While they are frying, we'll just add the vegetables with that. So we'll just cook these vegetables just halfway through, and we will add the noodles. Add a little bit of salt. Perfectly ready now. Now we will be adding the boiled noodles, and you just mix it through. Adding a little bit of tomato sauce, and we will be adding the chicken salt that we got in the noodles box as well, just to give it a chicken flavor. Now it's time to add those fried eggs that we've done before. There you go. So let's add those eggs. Here you go. Your noodles is ready. Less than 5 minutes. So when the noodles is done, that's the way it should be looking. If you have like a dry onion, you can add some dry onion or coriander on top of it. If you don't have it, it's good the way it is. So here you go guys, thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my other videos.